Hello, my name is Dongwan Ko and my partner's name is Hong Seok Kim. Now we are going to introduce search engines. First, I introducing three topics about search engine and my partner introducing theory of search engine. Last, we will talk about opinion of search engine. Next. Our object is studying definition, background process of search engine, and to understand theory of search engine. For example, search method, computer technologies, types, current situations. Most important course is that students are interested in search engines. Next, in earnest, our presentation is start. First, definition of search engines. A software system that is designed to search for information on the web. The search results are generally presented in a line of results often referred to as search engine result page. These are SERPs. Next. Second, we talk about background of development. As more and more web servers appears online, the old existing single list could not manage the new servers anymore. To solve this problem, search engine with additional functions appeared. For example, documents collection, index search are necessary for search engines. Therefore, the initial search engine was born of Jump Station, and next, Lycos, Yahoo, Google were developed. Next. Finally, I introduce process of search engine development. As you think what is important, search engine has been developed. Process of development is divided 4 generations. First generation search unit is sites. If people find good sites, they satisfied, and to make well-sorted good site list become important work. Users sort of the most important search unit as site. So, directory search technique which find wishful site was adapted. This technique adapted Yahoo, like linked, open, and shared. Next. Second generation is good search engine needs to have many search results. As the number of search sites increased gradually, the level of search engine was so developable that is found web document. In this generation, standard of good search engine is how many pages find. Search unit change site to pages. This technology adapted Lycos. Next. Third generation good search engine is find document with public value. As web documents sort rapidly, search engine which displayed a lot of results discomfort users. So user wanted search engine which find probably videos that they really want. In this generation, standard of good search engine is to display websites which have a number of visitors and recommendation numbers. This technology, like PageRank, adapted Google. Next. Fourth generation good search engine is to find materials that individuals want. To satisfactory this condition, search units are detailed. Then user get information that they want more rapidly and previous. This technology that neighbor and that completes my presentation, and then my partner introducing theory of search engines.
Thank you. My name is Hong Kim. I introduce search method to you. Next. Search method have three types search engine. First, subject-oriented search engine. This engine searches information on internet from wide range to narrow range. This engine's strong point is that without information to curious something, easily access to information with a big class category. For example, top class, example sport, subclass sport games, we find soccer class, next we find World Cup class, and finally we find 2014 Brazil World Cup. However, these engines have a weak point. For example, because I have passed through many steps, possibility to get wrong information is high. Next. Second, word search engine. If you input keyword about curious information, search engine displays web pages through database which has many related information. And this engine also has strong point. For example, rapidly access to information with just one keyword. However, this engine has weak point. For example, if a database linked to web page has weak information, we can find exact information we really want. Next. Meta search engine. This engine has database with various information which another search engine has searched, and engine displayed already search result. For example, you see illustration, top class resources, subclass search engine. We query in meta search engine. Meta search engine respond. Various search engine find web page. Finally, meta search engine display link. Next. And this engine also has strong point. This engine displays a lot of information more than a single search engine. However, this engine also has a weak point. This engine not using strong points other search engines. This engine have a lot more long time for search. Next. Search engine have 4 types. For example, next. First of all, we introduce search engine usage to you. First, search engine usage in worldwide. Many of people in worldwide use Google search engine. Next. In Korea, many of people also use Google. Second, we use Naver search engine. Next. For example, we introduce Naver search engine to you. First, Naver is the most popular portal in Korea. Naver has many features. For example, Naver has comprehensive search, which provides results from multiple categories on one page. And Naver has no knowledge search. For example, Naver Knowledge In. And Naver has various internet services, for example, news, email service, and academic search service, and Naver has a real-time searching system and children portal. Next. We Korea have Daum portal. Daum is a popular search portal in Korea. Daum has many features. First, the first Korean web portal of significant size is Daum, and Daum uses a directory search engine. Daum also has various internet services. For example, news, email, messaging service, forums. Daum's forum, example, Daum Cafe, and Daum Shopping, Daum Cloud. Daum Cloud is the clouding service system, and Daum News. Next. In worldwide, Google is the most popular search engine in the world. Google has many features. Google uses Meta search engine, and Google has various internet services. Google also has email service, Google Office Suite, that is Google Drive, and Google uses social networking, that is Google Plus, and Google Service YouTube, and Google Service Google Play. Next. Finally, we look Yahoo. Yahoo is one of the most popular sites in the United States. Yahoo has many features. Yahoo uses directory service search engine. Yahoo Answers is based on Naver Knowledge In. Yahoo also has various internet services. Yahoo also has email service, Yahoo Directory, and uses Yahoo Answers. Next. We think direction of improvement in search engine. First, recently as the use of smart, wearable, mobile equipment increased rapidly, people can use search engine whenever people want some information. And people will enjoy, I think people will enjoy more convenient life by using search engines adapting fusion technology. These fusion technologies include, I think, location-based technology. These fusion technologies add another innovative technologies to ordinary search engine. Next. We finally think opinions through preparation. We learned various search engine. We have an interest in search engine and search method. Finally, we learn direction of input. Finally, we think direction of improvement in search engine. Next. Next. We have question and answer time. Next. Thank you for listening our presentation. Thank you.